Giant panda protection efforts of China's Sichuan province are on display at the China Pavilion during the second part of the 15th meeting of the Conference of the Parties to the United Nations Convention on Biological Diversity in Montreal, Canada.
Over the past decades, China has seen remarkable achievements in giant panda protection. In 2017, China started piloting the Giant Panda Park. Last year, China officially designated the first group of 5 national parks, including the Giant Panda National Park.
Covering about 23,000 square kilometers, the park is home to more than 1,300 wild pandas. The park area in Sichuan accounts for 87.7% of its total area, and the wild panda population there accounts for 91.6% of the park's total. Sichuan has strengthened wild panda conservation efforts across the park within the province in recent years.
我们这个熊猫是一个特别的熊猫，它是按照1:1复刻20天出生的大熊猫的大小，做出来的熊猫。代表的是什么呢？四川的生物多样性的一个独特。对于四川来说，它在这里生活着非常多的珍稀的动物和植物。欢迎大家有机会到四川来领略这样的风光，然后来亲近这些珍贵的植物和动物。